Alex here with a legal nuts and bolts video on pro tempore. It might be pronounced pro tempore, I'm not sure. It's Latin, and I think it's something like temporary or for temporary or on a temporary basis, something like that. Anyway, this is the third video in a series of 10 where I'm covering the different types of judges, and there are judges pro tempore, and again, if I'm saying it wrong, let me know. I'm not sure. The point I'm trying to make here is that unlike, okay, so in my previous video, I covered senior judges. You may want to check that out because I'm about to refer to them right now. Unlike a senior judge who used to be a judge and retired and is now helping out, having retired in good standing, a pro tempore, a judge pro tempore never was a judge to begin with. What they are is they're a lawyer who's been given the temporary authority to act as a judge in a case. That kind of unnerves people when they find that out because it's a little weird to think that you could act as a judge even though you haven't been elected. But it happens. I mean, and the authority is there in the rules. I'm not sure if it's in the district court rules or the justice court rules, or if it's in the Supreme Court rules or even in the statutes. I've actually never looked into it, but there is authority for it, and it does happen. It happens based on the people that I've talked to and helped. I've heard of it happening a lot more in the justice courts than I have in the district courts. It does happen in the district courts, but I can't think of a specific example right now. Whereas I can think of 2 or 3 examples of where I've heard of a friend going to like a small claims case, and they were like, yeah, there was a pro tempore, and I don't know what that is. And I'm just like, well, that's just a lawyer who's just acting like the judge, who has the authority of the judge and everything. Anyway, that's what a pro tempore, a judge pro tempore is. With that, I'll go ahead and end this video. If anyone's had a case in front of a judge pro tempore, you know, and it went badly, or I don't know, maybe it went well, just let us know in the comments below. And I'm not sure if anyone else has ever interacted with that kind of judge in the past. So with that, I'll go ahead and end this video.